Hello!
Hello.
Hello!
Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm calling you from Medicare. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Thank you so much for your asking. All the purpose of this call is that I just need to confirm, have you received your new Medicare card in last week or not yet?
No!
Alright, so no problem, sir. Now Medicare is going to provide you the new Medicare card, and you will receive it within 1 week. So now I'm going to make you eligible for your new Medicare card, okay?
Okay!
So now I just need to confirm, can you go and grab your old Medicare card for the verification, the red, white, and blue one?
Well, my Medicare card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 73, so I'm climbing the stairs.
Okay, so sir, you take your time. I'm holding on the line for you.
Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs.
Okay.
Let me dig through my drawer. Let me put on my reading glasses. So this is my Medicare number. 1, E as in Echo, G as in Golf, 4, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, N as in November, C as in Charlie, H in Hotel, O as in Oscar, D as in Delta.
Are you playing with me?
Now listen, you fucker, you're a scammer. Why don't you go get a real job? Hello? Hello?